Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix missing draw table tab in Excel. This guys very easy and very simple method to fix missing draw tab in Excel. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not waste time. Let's start our video. First, open the Excel. You can see this type of interface you can see in your desktop, and here you can see the in top you can now see the draw tab. To fix it, firstly you need to go the file, and you can see this type of interface. Then click on in last options. First click on it, and you can see this type of interface you can see, and in last fourth option, customize ribbon. Just you need to click on it, and in here you can see that this type of interface. Just close it, and here you can see the option draw. Just select it, then click on this OK. And here you can see the draw tab is fix it. Is guys very easy and very simple method to fix missing draw tab in Excel. Guys, if you have any doubts and you have any problems about your PC or laptop, you need to comment me and I will try my best to solve it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Visit again guys. Thanks for watching.